Gabes, it's Brandy and I'm back with another edition of Style with Brandy. And if you're new to my channel, thanks for tuning in and watching. And if you have not yet subscribed, please consider subscribing and give me a thumbs up and ring the bell so you can get all the latest in video uploads. And I'm here with another edition of my show, and we are into fall. We're only a couple, maybe a month away from fall, but the fall fashions have hit the stores, the runway, they're all over the place. And we're going to start with one of the trends that's still popping off of the runway, which is animal prints. Yes, animal prints are still going strong. Last year I did leopard, and this year we're going to do sexy, sleek python. And I love it because it is a sexy, sleek look. Chic, trendy, and I paired this little dress that I got from boohoo.com with a pair of string-up boots, little leather jacket, and you could probably put a necklace on, some earrings, and it's a cute, trendy look for you guys. Cute, fashionable, trendy, chic, modern. You gotta have it. I'm gonna show you 5 ways how you can style python prints, so stay tuned. I'll be right back. Okay, ladies, here is my second look. This python sleek faux leather skirt and my California t-shirt. These 2 pieces I got from, again, boohoo.com. I think the skirt was like on sale for $15, shirt was like $6. I paired it with some combat boots and a little blazer, which gives it an ultra chic, trendy look. You can't go wrong. Feels like I'm walking the streets of Manhattan with this outfit. It's really cute and trendy, and this is another way you can style python, and I'll be back with one more look. Okay, here's another look, ladies, and this is something else that's still trendy for the fall. It's pleats. Fall, spring, winter, summer. I love pleated skirts, so I got a bunch of them. But this python pleated skirt, I got at H&M, and I got it paired with some cowboy Franco Certo suede boots, just a little t-shirt, and a blue jean jacket. This is a cute little look, very trendy, chic, and cute. If you're just going to work, going out, going for a drink, it's a cute look, very chic and cool. And I'll be back with a couple more looks. These, some trendy cut-up jeans with some peep-toe shoes and a mock python long sleeve shirt, because as it gets cool, you guys can stick this on and throw on either a leather jacket with it, blue jean jacket, another outfit that's cute, chic, and trendy, or you can put on some boots, ankle boots, whatever you want to do with it, but it's a cute, trendy, chic look. And this is another way you can style. Shirt courtesy at Boohoo, again, boohoo.com. It's where I got most of the python from. They have tons of python in different colors, from pink to purple to orange to blue, you name it, lime green, they have it. So check out boohoo.com and you can find you some python. I have one more look to show you. Some accessories that you can get in python as well. I have these trendy python cowboy boots that I got. Again, most of the stuff I got is from boohoo.com, and the one skirt is from H&M.com. But there's lots of python accessories to go with your looks. You can just do, your boots and your accessories is python. I'm waiting on a python belt and a python bag and a python raincoat. And don't forget, you can mix python with the leopard. If you want to be really chic and trendy, you can mix the 2 together. The animal prints do go well depending on how you style it. It's something to think about if you want to pull those looks together. But I have one more outfit to show you, so stay tuned. Last but not least, lady, this is my last look, and this is also courtesy of boohoo.com. This red python dress, and I paired it with the jacket, but it's a long sleeve, so just perfect for the fall. And I paired it with these 9 West boots that I got. Super cute square-toed boots that I got. Let's back up a little bit more. Square-toed boots that I got for $10, leather and all, at Gabes. So this is another cute, trendy look, you ladies, for the fall 2019. The trends are here. You gotta go grab them while you can. Python is a hot item, so is any animal print. So if you're looking for any more tips and beauty, fashion, and lifestyle, stay tuned to my channel, and I will see you guys in the next video. And if you like this one, leave your comments and suggestions below. Make sure you ring that bell for the latest video uploads, and I will see you guys in the next video. Have a good one.